Ang saya-saya dito, kaya lagi ako looking forward sumama sa mga rides. Kita naman ninyo, ang daming sasali ngayon, may mga parating pa. Ito yung mga pinakahihintay ko pagka mga weekends. So sana makasali din kayo in the future. Napakasayang community nitong Motor Republic.
Hans here from Motor Republic. So meron tayong Vespa Motor Republic ride today. Enjoy na enjoy to. Papunta kami Intramuros. Ang RD natin today, si Derek, tsaka si Bok. So, ibang klase talaga sila mag-RD. Nakita nyo naman, ang dami naming riders today. Based sa count namin ngayon, aabot kami ng mga 60 riders.
Okay, good morning Vespa community. Dito kami sa Fullprint Manila Cafe, dito sa Parcal. So may ride yung Vespa Club of Motor Republic. Pupunta kami sa may Intramuros. So yung route namin is kami sa Globe, tapos diretso sa Senate, PICC Complex, tapos kaliwa ng Rojas Boulevard, tapos diretso na tayo ng Intramuros. Nandun na yung historic sites. So doon kami magbe-breakfast ngayon. Kaya sama kayo.
Good morning! Kasama ko today yung mga Kikas! So, andito kami ngayon sa Parcal, sa Fullprint Cafe. Papunta kaming Intramuros using our Peugeot Django 150. So, samahan nyo kami mag-ride today. Sama natin si AJ,
Mitch, Tracy, Maui, and Yara, Sam, Angelica, me.
and yours truly, Trina. See you!
Hi! Ako si Mel Garcia, member ako ng Motor Republic. Kita naman ninyo, ang daming sasali ngayon, may mga parating pa. Ito yung mga pinakahihintay ko pagka mga weekends. So sana makasali din kayo in the future. Napakasayang community nitong Motor Republic.
Guys, libre ko kay lahat.
Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, 'cause right now, yeah, I don't care about the back home. It's Cincinnati, baby. I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. I said it's Cincinnati, baby. It's Cincinnati, baby.
Intramuros actually is a combination or a blended European architecture with Filipino traditions. Unlike vegan has been established in 16th century and its sole purpose is for trading. Just a fun fact, Intramuros actually was really damaged during the World War II and now it's partially restored. That's why it has a lot of establishments now. In general, Intramuros was established first in 15th century, while vegan was established in 16th century. And as for the sole purpose, Intramuros was used to protect our Spanish officials and soldiers, while vegan was actually made for sole trading purposes only and administrative purposes for northern Luzon. So come and explore Intramuros with different establishments and full of history.
Ang ganda ng breakfast ride natin. Teka lang, Atty. Rob, ikaw, matanong kita, kamusta ang breakfast ride experience mo ngayon?
Maganda. Dito yung mga kaibigan natin. Maganda yung weather. Maganda yung lugar. Asan ba tayo ngayon?
Magandang tanong yan. Alam nyo ba kung nasan tayo ngayon? Tayo ay nasa Intramuros. Ang Intramuros, ang isa sa pinaka makasaysayang lugar nung Spanish era. Noon na yon, tinatawag tong Walled City. Kasi ito ang pinakasentro ng Spanish power at military kung panahon ng Spanish era. Bukod dyan, marami ring mga turista ngayon na pumupunta dito sa Intramuros para malaman ang ating kasaysayan noong Spanish era.
Inikot lang namin isang beses yung Intramuros. Pero since ang daming bus, nag-decide kami, labas na tayo ng Intramuros. Doon na lang tayo magkwentuhan sa Fullprint Manila, kaya nandito kami ngayon. So, yung mga ibang nakakita sa amin, medyo natuwa sa mga dahil ang dami naming Vespa, medyo natuwa dahil ang ganda tignan pag magkakasama, di ba? Good ride, all in all. And we're planning yung next ride natin. Siguro, iba naman. Siguro east naman. Either Antipolo, Tanay, or what. Yon. So, kita-kita tayo ulit next time sa Motorcycle Republic.